Welcome back to our channel, where we're here to help you chill out and stay refreshed with 11 summer drink and snack inspirations. These delicious combinations are perfect for beating the heat and enjoying the ultimate refreshment. Let's dive into these cool and satisfying treats. 1. Piña Colada Smoothie Bowl. Blend frozen pineapple, coconut milk, and a splash of lime juice. Top it with granola, shredded coconut, and fresh tropical fruits for a refreshing and indulgent snack. 2. Strawberry Watermelon Agua Fresca with Cucumber Salad. Blend fresh strawberries and juicy watermelon with a hint of lime juice to create a thirst-quenching agua fresca. Serve it alongside a crisp and refreshing cucumber salad for a light and hydrating combination. 3. Iced Raspberry Mint Green Tea with Frozen Grapes. Brew a batch of green tea, add fresh raspberries and mint leaves, and chill it. Serve it over ice and enjoy it with frozen grapes for a cool and antioxidant-rich snack. 4. Mango Pineapple Sorbet Float. Whip up a homemade mango pineapple sorbet and place a scoop in a glass. Pour sparkling water or lemon-lime soda over the sorbet for a fizzy and tropical float that will cool you down in no time. 5. Kiwi Limeade with Avocado Toast. Squeeze fresh lime juice into a pitcher of kiwi-infused water. Serve it over ice and pair it with a satisfying and creamy avocado toast topped with your favorite ingredients. 6. Coconut Berry Chia Pudding Parfait. Layer coconut milk chia pudding with fresh mixed berries in a glass or jar. Top it with a sprinkle of granola or crushed nuts for a refreshing and nutritious snack. 7. Watermelon Mint Slushie with feta and watermelon skewers. Blend frozen watermelon chunks with a handful of fresh mint leaves to create a delicious watermelon mint slushie. Serve it with feta cheese and watermelon skewers for a sweet and savory combination. 8. Blueberry Lemon Yogurt Bark with Cucumber Sandwiches. Spread a layer of Greek yogurt mixed with fresh lemon juice on a baking sheet. Sprinkle it with fresh blueberries and freeze until solid. Break it into pieces and enjoy it with light and refreshing cucumber sandwiches. 9. Iced Peach Ginger Green Tea with Quinoa Salad Cups. Brew green tea with slices of fresh peaches and a hint of ginger. Chill it and serve it over ice. Pair it with quinoa salad cups filled with colorful vegetables for a nutritious and cooling snack. 10. Cherry Limeade Popsicles with Baked Zucchini Fries. Make cherry limeade popsicles by blending fresh cherries, lime juice, and a touch of honey. Freeze them in popsicle molds and savor them alongside crispy baked zucchini fries for a fun and satisfying combination. 11. Pineapple Jalapeno Mocktail with Tropical Salsa. Combine pineapple juice, a splash of lime juice, and a few slices of jalapeno for a spicy and refreshing mocktail. Serve it with a side of tropical salsa made with diced mango, pineapple, red onion, and cilantro for a burst of flavors. These 11 summer drink and snack inspirations are perfect for keeping you cool and satisfied during the hot days. Try out these combinations, get creative, and enjoy the refreshing flavors of summer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, tips, and inspiration. Share your favorite summer drink and snack ideas in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video on Wne Wne.